video, we're going to troubleshoot an Onn TV that's not powering on or staying black. It's pretty easy to go ahead and troubleshoot this, so let's go ahead and start right now. If you just got like a red light on, it could just be an issue with the remote. So make sure you change out the batteries on your remote control and then see if that'll work. It could be the power outlet that you have plugged into the wall. So try another device on that power outlet. For example, you could put like a hair dryer on it and make sure that that works. So that way we can troubleshoot and knowing that it's not the power outlet. If you can physically do it, take your TV into another room and try it in another room. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a reset of the software. So with the TV completely powered off, what you're going to do is unplug it from the wall, and we're going to wait 60 seconds while it's unplugged. And then what we're going to do is find the power source, and what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the power for at least 20 seconds while it's still unplugged. And then what we're going to do is plug it back in, and then we're going to turn it on to see if it works. So try that and see if that works. Next thing you could do is, if you know your battery's working on your remote while it's unplugged, what you're going to do is tap the power button twice really close up to the on logo, or to where that sensor is. So you want to do it 1 and then 2. Give it about 10 seconds and then see if that power is on. And then finally, last but not least, what you're going to do is unplug it again, and you want to look for this vent here. This is the fan vent. And you're going to get a warm hair dryer, and you're going to blow in the hair dryer. You're going to blow in the vent for about 3 minutes. And you want to let it cool down for about 15 minutes, and then power it on and see if that'll work. If that doesn't work, it's probably a circuit, a board or something inside that's broken. You could take it to a shop and repair it if you don't know how to do it, but it's fairly expensive. You might as well just get another TV. At the end of this video, I want to put a review of the Amazon TV that I did, and go ahead and check that out, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks a lot.